Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something exciting for all you car audio enthusiasts out there. Feast your eyes on the best enclosed subwoofer for cars currently on the market, the Seventour 10800W Slim under-seat powered car subwoofer. Now, what sets this subwoofer apart from the rest? Let's dive into the details. First off, let's talk power. With 800 watts of peak power and a RMS power handling of 220 watts, this subwoofer packs a serious punch. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked at a party, you'll feel every beat. Installation is a breeze with the Seventour ST800. Thanks to its ultra-slim design and included mounting wire kit, you can easily tuck it away under your seat for a clean, seamless look. Plus, with its cast aluminum enclosure, heat dissipation is top-notch, ensuring reliable performance even on the hottest summer days. But wait, there's more. One of the coolest features of this subwoofer is its personalized spider speaker protector and LED ambient light ring design. When you start your car, the subwoofer lights up with a mesmerizing blue LED glow, adding a touch of style and sophistication to your ride. Now, let's talk about that bass. With adjustable gain, bass boost, and crossover controls, you have complete control over your audio experience. Whether you prefer deep, booming bass or a more subtle thump, the Seventour ST800 delivers. And don't worry about compatibility. The ST800 supports both low-level RCA inputs and high-level inputs, making it compatible with a wide range of car stereo systems. Plus, with built-in protection circuitry for thermal, short circuit, and overload protection, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your investment is safe. So there you have it, folks. The Seventour 10800W Slim under-seat powered car subwoofer, the best enclosed subwoofer for cars available today. Whether you're a die-hard audiophile or just looking to add some extra oomph to your car audio system, this subwoofer has you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy listening.